I have done tons of editing on Medium, hundreds of articles across different profiles, both for myself and clients. And yeah, I have used AI to help me out. I did not just make money from the Medium partner programs, I also did affiliate marketing, build email list. I have even helped other people make money on Medium using AI. But look, Medium is getting really tough in 2025. They are really suspending a lot of accounts left and right and coming up with all these new rules. Why? Because some people on Medium are misusing the platform, making multiple accounts for engagement, writing fake comments, joining bulk engagement groups, and just spamming everywhere. Medium is cracking down all these accounts because they're just trying to make quick cash without helping readers or providing value. Here is the thing, if you're thinking about using AI on Medium, you are not a pro writer, like I'm also not a pro writer, you have to be very careful in this case. Most publications won't accept AI content, and Medium itself don't like AI content. They hate AI content. I actually had to stop writing AI generated articles for the partner program to keep my account safe. So what I did, I started writing articles on Medium with a brand new profile, just using AI for assistance, not directly generating articles with AI. I'm also writing for the search traffic. For the search traffic, I use 100% AI generated content, and it's really working well. I'm getting thousands of traffic, getting some good quality leads, and making sales without relying on the partner program. If writing is not your thing or you're not good at writing, you have to got very cautious on Medium. Their algorithm is really smart, and if you try shortcuts, they'll catch you. So you don't want your efforts to go into waste if your account gets suspended. So I would suggest focus on writing for the search traffic. It's a great way to get leads, promote affiliate products, and sell your stuff. By the way, if you're curious about the partner program changes, Scott Lamb, who is a Medium VP, wrote a detailed post about it. It's a worth read, so I would recommend to read that. After seeing the Medium latest update, I would say you should not publish AI generated articles for the partner program, even if they are humanized. You can definitely write articles with AI assistance, but not by generating entire article with AI. I have created a free course on writing for Medium. I will teach you how to use AI to write articles while adding your own insights and words. However, I don't teach how to write fully AI generated articles. But if you still want to use AI to write articles, focus on the search traffic instead. Forget the partner program. If you write for the search traffic with targeted keywords, you can build your email list, sell your digital products, and even earn affiliate commissions. And don't worry, this approach won't violate Medium guidelines. We'll follow their rules while still making it work. But remember, there's some specific rule you need to follow while doing affiliate marketing or promoting your product or building your email list. Now let me show you a glimpse of the results that I got from affiliate marketing recently on Medium. So you can see that I have written just two articles for the search traffic here. First I published on December 21 and another I published on December 22, and you can see their views, one got 930 views and 735 reads, another got 993 views and 776 reads. And let me show you how much commission I made from these two articles. I have 100 plus keyword left, but I've just from two articles I already got such results. Let me show you. So if I go to my affiliate program, then you can see that, and if I refresh this, you would see that I made $62.80 of commissions till date. And if I go to the leads section here, then you would see that how many leads I made just a month now. You can see that I made around 100 plus leads. I've already started sending emails to these leads. So in this way I can get a lot of leads when I start writing more articles. My goal is to write at least 100 articles because I have 100 plus keywords, and these are highly targeted keywords. You can also get such result. If you want to get such result, then you have to follow this 12-step framework for making money on Medium other than the partner program. So let me show you that. So here is a 12-step framework to monetize your content on Medium beyond partner program. This is the exact 12-step framework that I follow. This is not just I'm writing a review article and promoting products from Zebzu or Warrior Plus or from some random platform. This is the exact right framework that you should follow to make money other than Medium partner program. So first of the thing that you have to do, find targeted keywords and products in your niche. Targeted keywords and product, I mean that when people searching this targeted keyword, they're searching in the intent to make purchase or they're interested in that product, not just some random keywords. You're going to target those keywords. They have very low competition in your niche. To find these targeted keywords, you need to watch a video from our course. Let me show you the course. So here is the course, and here in this section, in the pro section, here you have to come to this section, that is advanced SEO and article ranking section, and then you have to come here, find targeted keywords using secret method. So you are going to watch this lesson, that is find targeted keywords using the secret method, then how to find targeted keywords. And you are going to also get a Medium content planner there to save those keywords in that content planner. If you scroll up, you can see that on the top we have another lesson there, external traffic, keyword research, SEO, etc. for Medium. So you are going to also watch this. This is also going to help you. So make sure to watch this this part as well, that is external traffic and keyword research, right? Next step is that use SEO optimized article writer prompt from the prompt library. So you need to use SEO optimized article writer prompt from the prompt library. So what I'm talking about is a prompt library that you need to go. It's a prompt library that you can see. I'm going to drop the link to this prompt library in this video description. From there, you have to come here on my prompts section. After coming to my prompts section, you are going to scroll down below, and then you can see we have one prompt that is my Medium article writing prompt. You can also get this one by clicking on this link, right? Or you can just scroll down below to find another one that is the best one, review article writer SEO plus human written article. Okay, this is the best one. Okay, I use personally to write all the articles. So if I click here, then you will see that it opens in a Notion site, and after opening this, you're just going to select this prompt. You can see such a large prompt, and this is really a high quality prompt. You are going to use this prompt, and then here you are going to feed all the content sources, basically different sources. Once you're going to paste all the content here, different content sources, then you are going to generate the article using Abacus AI. So I'm talking about the tool that is known as Abacus AI. Let me show you the tool. So this is the tool that I'm talking about. This is known as Abacus AI, and it has all of the important AI models here, like ChatGPT models, Claude models, Gemini models. You can find almost every AI model here. You are going to use this O1 model, as you can see here. This is going to give you the best result that you want. So when you are going to feed this prompt, you are just going to enter the keyword that you have searched, that is a targeted keyword. You are going to provide this prompt to Abacus AI with O1 model, and it's going to give an article like this. If you exactly use this prompt to generate the article, you are really going to see great results. So once you have this article, then what you are going to do, you are going to optimize it. So in the next step, you are going to optimize content using Yoast SEO real-time content analysis tool. So this is the tool that you are going to use to do the real-time content analysis to check your SEO score. Before you do this change, right, first of the thing that you have to make sure that you are making changes in the article that you have generated using O1 model. You have to use your own words here. Once it is generated article, it will be in the format that we have already given in our prompt, but you need to change something here. You may need to change here from this first paragraph. There will be some section in this article that where you will feel like, okay, I need to change this part. Then you should definitely do that, because you doing this, your article will become better. And after doing this, then you are going to use this real-time content analysis tool inside Yoast SEO, and you're going to put your entire article here with proper heading, subheading and everything. Then you should make sure that this should become green. Currently it's not green, it should become green. So if it is green, then it means that your article is a great article. To check whether your article is great or not, you have to check all these things. You can see this red mark here. So you have to make sure that everything is green marked so that your article is 100% SEO optimized. So in the next step, you are going to create a Gumroad account and set it up. So let me show you what is Gumroad. So this is a site called Gumroad where people create their digital product and sell. These are basically created for creators only. You are going to create an account on Gumroad. You can also use this Gumroad platform for selling your product on Pinterest and other platforms. This is really easy to get started. There are so many platforms are there, but this platform is really great to start it for beginners, right? Or someone who wants to create product and sell, like basically digital products. So this is a great platform. So if you want to create your own product, then you need to create your account, right? So you need to set up your account. If I go to my dashboard here, then you can see that I have already set up my entire Gumroad account. So you need to also do that. You need to go to settings after you create your account. Then there you need to do all the settings, right? Putting your details. Then you have to, in the payout section, you need to put your payout details and you need to set up completely your account. Once your account is set up, what is the next step? So in the next step, you are going to create a lead magnet with AI in Gumroad. Basically, you are going to create a lead magnet, and I have already shown in my several videos how to create a lead magnet using AI. Once you have created that lead magnet, you just need to come here on Gumroad and just need to go to the product section. From the product section, you are just going to click here on new product, and then you are going to put your content of the free lead magnet in this Gumroad content section. And after creating that, you are going to keep it priced like $0. What are the things that you can keep it as a lead magnet? For example, in my case, I can put this prompt library as a lead magnet. And in the next step, you're going to create a digital product to sell with AI in Gumroad. Now, once you have created your free product, after that, you're going to create your digital product. First, you can give an ebook. Here you can see that you can give an ebook. And next step, you're going to create a digital product. You can give any paid product. It can be an AI generated course or something, paid ebook or anything. It can be membership or tutorial or training, right? You can give them. So you can keep it in your funnel. So in the first step, you're going to give them the free lead magnet. And in the next step, you're going to give them the digital product. So this is how you're going to do that. And in the next step, you are going to provide your lead magnet link to your article. For example, let me show you how I do that. So you can see here that I have created one article here, and you can see on the top we have one link. So this is the thing that I was talking about. Like, you will get the link of your product from here, from this product section. Once you get that link, you are going to put that link here, right? And then somewhere like this, for example, I've given here. Once someone click here, it will redirect it to your product page. And then from here, if they click here, then you are going to tell them to enter the name and email address. They are going to get the free ebook or free something, right? In return of that, you are going to get their email address. So in the next step, you're going to upsell your product. So once they have signed up for your product, right? You're given the free access to your ebook or something. In the next step, you're going to sell your digital product, that is, let's say $7 or it's say $27, something like that. You keep the product price and then you're going to sell it. It can be a AI generated course, or it can be a paid ebook, or it can be membership site, or anything. You are going to upsell that as a digital product. Then what is the next step? In the next step, you are going to start email campaign inside Gumroad. So you can see that inside Gumroad, we have emails here. You can start email campaigns here. You can start writing email and you can send emails from there. With the help of workflows here, you can start sending emails in automation. When you get some new lead, when someone get your free lead magnet, they will join your email list and you start sending email automatically, even though while you are sleeping. But workflow work only when you make $100, but you can make it happen initially with emails, right? So first you need to make $100 of sales. Then once you make the $100 of sales, you can start work. So what is the next step here? In the next step is to import the leads to free MailerLite account using Zapier. Now one thing you have to understand that I would not recommend you to start doing affiliate marketing from Gumroad, because Gumroad allows you to sell your own product. So I would not recommend you to do that from there. You have to use some third-party email marketing tool that is going to give you better results as far I have experienced. So you have to import all the leads from MailerLite to using Zapier. So Zapier is an automation tool. You're going to use Zapier to transfer all the leads from here to your MailerLite account. Let me show you how we're going to do that. You can see that Zapier is an automation tool that I use to do this. So basically what I do, I connect Gumroad and System.io. So whenever someone sign up in Gumroad, the lead will go to System.io. You can also create such automation using Zapier, and then you can transfer your leads from Gumroad to System.io account or to MailerLite account. For example, in my case, I transfer all the leads to my MailerLite account, and you can see this is my MailerLite account, and I have created several groups here, and I transfer all the leads from different platforms to here. You can also do the same thing. You can transfer all your Gumroad leads to System.io, and you can start email marketing from System.io account. I mostly use these two platforms, that is sending for emails like MailerLite and System.io, but MailerLite is more trustable than System.io because MailerLite is designed for email marketing. So you can just transfer all the leads from multiple sources here, and then you can start sending emails. In the next step, you need to build automation inside MailerLite. So you need to create automation. Let me show you. If you go to automation section here, then you can create automation here. When someone joins your list, that is subscriber, then they will be automatically sent emails, and you have to create such automation. For example, you can see I've created two automation, and I have also inside my System.io account some other automation. So you have to create such automation and you can start sending emails automatically. You will create a sequence of emails and you can set them up, and then you can start sending emails. Whenever a lead is transferred from your Gumroad account to your MailerLite account, then email will be sent automatically, and after 2 days and after 3 days they will be getting some more emails, one after one email. So you are going to create such automation and email campaign inside MailerLite. So what is the next step? So in the next step, write emails inside automation and promote affiliate products. You are going to write emails for promoting your affiliate products. You are going to create emails, let's say 50 emails you have created in one automation. After every 2 days, one email is sent to all these new leads, right? And then you are going to promote affiliate products through them. So you are going to sign up for your different affiliate products and you are going to promote affiliate products through email marketing, right? This is the exact step you need to follow for automation. You are going to create automations and you are going to create emails. Let's say you've created 50 emails and you are promoting different products. Let's say you are promoting 10 products. You are going to create email sequences, and through these email sequences you are going to put your affiliate link and you are going to promote your affiliate products. Even you can also sell your own digital product if you have created through email marketing as well. People are paying thousands of dollars for solo ads, but if you can build your email list from Medium, then that's really great because you are going to get real people who are reading your article on Medium.